Hey guys, welcome back. I know I haven't posted like any makeup videos in a long time, but don't worry. I'm having way more videos coming as much as I can. I am going through the process of getting a lot of things together, and so everything's been pretty busy. But while you're watching this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and always subscribe, and please turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I post. So right now I'm doing a get ready with me video, and I literally had no time. I'm literally doing this makeup so quick. So I had 30 minutes, literally less than 30 minutes to get ready. So this is just my everyday makeup look that I normally would do. Foundation, concealer, my choice of foundation and concealer, something that's gonna last me through the night, because obviously I'm leaving at 6. I think I left around 6 o'clock. So I'm just doing my whole Tarte Shape Tape concealer eye thing that I normally do. But I'm really happy and grateful for all the subscribers that I have. And I wanted this to be a talk through video so bad, but things was happening. There was too much noise and I could not do it. And I almost didn't make this video because I had to go. And I knew I had time, but time just got away from me. So I just went ahead and was let me just hurry up and record this and do a quick get ready with me video, because I haven't posted any videos consistently I was before, because I was busy. But trust me, I'm gonna have a lot of time to do these videos pretty soon. So I'm just hurrying up and putting on anything. I was getting frustrated. I'm oh my god, let me hurry up. I didn't even take any time to do this. I already knew I was running late, and I'm never late. That's why I was so rushing. But I'm just baking. Not even baking, because I think I dusted it off. I should have left it on there a bit longer, but so this is it's a little bit of a vlog towards the end, just so you guys can see my little get ready with me moment, and where I was heading to. But stay tuned, because there's gonna be a vlog from the birthday vlog. So it's one of my friend's birthday today. She just turned 21. I'm the oldest. I turned 21 before everybody turned 21, because I'm the mama bear of the group. So you can just see me trying to get ready, trying to dust this powder off and everything like that. I left it on for a little bit because I had to go. But so we just recently hit 55 subscribers. Really happy about that. I mean, I know it doesn't sound like a lot. I'm even happy 55 people are subscribed to me. But a lot of you guys who are here and are watching my videos aren't even subscribed. And I can tell, because I can see the analytics. The analytics don't lie. But so while I got your attention, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe. Hopefully I can pique your interest to more videos. Even if my content isn't for you, I'm mainstream. I can do anything, any type of content you want me to do. So just if you're watching my video just to watch it, just to click on it, go ahead and subscribe. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt you to subscribe. So with this eyeshadow look, I'm literally just I didn't have no goal in mind. None at all. I'm oh, this color cute, I'm just gonna use it. I had to go. I really had to go. So and my wig was not glued down. I was I'm just gonna leave it kind of not on, because I knew that I was going to my best friend's house, and her sister was gonna glue down my wig for me because yeah, I didn't have the time today, and I just was like, I like how she does it, so I just want her to do it for me. But yeah, so I was rushing, but I didn't have to rush that much, but I wanted to be there a little bit earlier before my other friend came and picked us up. So yeah, we were going to a restaurant, and it is such a, like, what happened was so like it was just so unfortunate, like what happened for this birthday. But at the end of the day, we all have fun. But make sure you watch the next vlog so that way you can see exactly what happened, because things didn't go as planned. And a lot of times with birthdays, you want things to go planned as you would want them to be, because it's your birthday, especially if it's your 21st birthday. So but yeah, we still managed to have fun. But go ahead and watch the vlog. It's really, really funny. It's really, really funny. But yeah, but we have fun. I have fun. My day ended terribly, but I'm still like happy. Like I was regretting even going, but at the end of the day, I went for my friend, and I'm so happy for her 21st birthday. I hope she had fun. I know that things didn't go as planned, but this vlog is for you, girl. This vlog is for you. This vlog is about you. So yeah, so I just had to record that. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me get ready, and I'm gonna be quiet now, but I just thought I'd get on here and say thank you guys for the subscribers. Thanks for watching. Thanks for viewing this video. Thanks for turning on your post notifications, and go ahead, just go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's free to hit the subscribe button. It's free to hit it. So yeah, help your girl out, support me, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. right, yeah, you guys, I just decided to show you guys my outfit. My friend suggested that I twist it up, so I did change it towards the end. But yeah, this is my outfit, guys. Y'all, look at my hair. What lace? What lace? Credits to her.
Hey guys, I look ugly right now.
Look at my bestie in the back. Dang.
Like, okay. Six days.
Where's she going?
Same place you going.
Oh yeah, we're going to the same place.
Baby. I ain't seen you all day.
I like the fit.
I got black on.
Now, like, I don't know.
All right, y'all, we're in the car.
I don't know why you believe him.
Dang.
I don't know why I did.
We got Muhammad.
What up? What up?
Mask. We got Big Bun Micah.
Honey bun.
Heavy Bun Micah. And yeah, we're on our way to, where we going?
Cadillac Ranch.
We're going to Cadillac Ranch. Never been there.
Me either.
That's the first time.
Start for Bria's birthday.
You know what I mean?
I'll follow her on Snap.
I heard Fetty
Follow
Wap in
her on
5 years.
Snapchat. She probably, I don't know if she want random people, but I don't care.
Follow me on Instagram at _RAYY.
Ray baby. Y'all know the vibe.
Y'all can follow Muhammad at, where can they follow
50
you?
Shot Mo.
50 Shot Mo. He
on
got his own
Instagram.
YouTube channel. Where is it?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Tell us about
I
your
don't even know my junk call name.
You
I get to forgetting.
don't be on it like that.
Is it my real name?
It's time to make some videos.
Of course, we got collabs coming possibly.
Right.
Mukbang,
Mukbang on the way.
That's
seafood mukbang. You never know.
Here we go.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Muhammad, we gonna when he do give us his channel, we gonna link it in the description.
Family channel coming soon.
Oh, family channel? Oh, I'm here for it. That sounds cute. A family channel.
Oh yeah, that would be cute.
That would be so cute. Come on, Micah. You with the family channel? Oh, see, Micah's gonna be recording.